What if I told you this masterpiece was created using just one sentence and ChatGPT? This is the original image, and this was created by ChatGPT. Hello guys, welcome to our channel SKverse AI with another amazing video. Let's turn a boring image into a masterpiece in just a few clicks. First, open up Chrome or your favorite browser. Type in ChatGPT and hit enter. Click on the official OpenAI link. If you're not logged in yet, sign in or create a free account. Once you're in, here comes the fun part. In the prompt box, type something like cinematic double exposure of me in profile, post-apocalyptic cityscape inside his silhouette. The inner scene shows the man walking through a destroyed, burning urban street. Buildings in ruins, glowing embers and fire with a dramatic sunset in the background. Moody lighting, warm tones, emotional and introspection mood, high detail, 8K resolution. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. In just seconds, ChatGPT transforms your boring selfie or photo idea into a stunning piece of digital art. Try it yourself, and turn your ordinary pictures into mind-blowing masterpieces with just one prompt. If you found this cool or helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a creative trick like this.